But here's Willow. She's being very good and very sleepy. And, well, we're getting ready for tomorrow because tomorrow is going to be a big day for both of us. It's going to be busy. So you guys will be coming along with us. Well, we're with me and my wife, but Willow has to stay home. Do you know, here's a little story of what happened the other day with my new heater and also a can of beans that I was trying to nuke. It's kind of funny and kind of scary at the same time, but everything worked out pretty good. So here it is. Yeah, the other day I was trying to cook beans in front of my heater that I just got from Walmart, and I was just wondering if I can actually just nuke it a little bit. Well, I definitely nuked it, but that little part where it has glue on it caught on fire, and yeah, I had to put that out before I can actually eat the beans. The beans was good. The beans was just excellent, and it was warm, but it wasn't hot. But for future reference, I will never do that again. I just wanted to try something new. Warm up my beans. It was Bush's baked beans. That was country style. It was actually really good, though. I can't complain. But Willow's sleeping really good right now, and I'm not going to bother her. And it's really warm inside the truck, and I'm going to turn on the heater back on and just relax. Yeah, that's her eyes, because she sleeps with her eyes open at all times. We're going to rest up for the rest of the night, and then probably get up early in the morning and see what tomorrow holds. So, because I have no idea. So I'll talk to you guys in the morning. Good night. It's rub time before bed. So see you guys in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you want to see more of Willow, I, and my wife, and our family in the next video. Have a good one, and see you tomorrow morning.